Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the wicked awesome gardener. I'm gonna apologize for wind and traffic noise because this is the first time I've been able to stop in like, I don't know, a week. But as you guys all know, I went to visit the Migardener headquarters this weekend for their grand opening, and I really wanted to kind of give this video a little bit of an introduction because I haven't had a chance to do that. I realized that I had filmed all this footage and put it all together and I didn't have an intro or a sign off or anything like that. So I'm here now to give you a little bit of an intro to this video, and I'm going to apologize for not giving an actual full tour of the facility because it was just so packed full of people. But I did at the very least give you a view of the seeds. Oh, the seeds. Woo! Guys, there is an epic seed haul video coming. So there are shots in there from the event. There is a view of the warehouse area. The storefront area was just too crowded all day to even really get in there until the very end. I did get a chance to stop and talk with Halley, who hosts the Roots, Shoots, and Coffee talk show sort of on the Migardener channel. It's one day a week in the mornings, and that's been called off for the summer, but she will be back at it in the fall, which is great because I miss it. So that will be back. And in the end, I did actually get to chat with Luke for a bit, so you're going to see about the back half of this video chatting with Luke. And apparently I said something to him that's now going to go on the walls of the warehouse, which, but without further ado, let's get to the video. Look who I found.
Hey guys, how are you?
This is Halley, here, an Migardener team member, and if you've seen Roots, Shoots, and Coffee, like I was a regular on like every week.
Yes, she was.
I had my alarm set for 9:30.
I know. We took a little break, but we'll be back soon.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait for the fall.
I'm just so glad that you came all the way down here from Boston. How cool is that? All the way to our little town of Michigan.
Yes.
It's pretty awesome.
It's beautiful out here.
Isn't it?
It really
is.
is.
The water and everything. It's
I saw when we were coming down on the little golf cart, and we came down, and the breeze off the water was like, oh my goodness.
I know.
It's so hot.
And what's it like in Boston right now?
90.
Okay, so you have.
And it has been for days. We haven't had rain. We had a small rain like a week ago.
Okay.
And that was it. And that's been it for weeks.
Like every 7 days, and that's it.
Yes. Yeah, that's what we're getting to.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one of the channels that I am friends with and follow, she's in a little north of Toronto, Brampton Gardener.
Oh, I haven't found her. Okay.
Oh, find her. She's
right,
fun. We have a little bit of a thing because I was going a little overboard on seeds earlier this year.
That's not actually a problem.
True, but I'm saving up for my homestead and all that. So she's like, I'm gonna watch you. If you get more seeds for this year because you've got everything, I'm gonna do a roast video.
Please tell me, did that happen? Oh,
well,
it's happening. It should happen now.
It might.
It might.
Guys,
she is sharing some of those.
These are not all for me. These are for another gardener.
Most of them are.
There may be 16 tomatoes here to add to the. I had to do tomato brackets, people voting on what tomatoes to go in.
I saw those.
She watches my videos.
Of course I do.
Oh my
right?
goodness.
It's all like-minded people. It's awesome.
So, sorry, Rochelle. I know you're busy.
But it's time for a roast video, and I can't wait to hear it.
So,
awesome.
Yeah, I don't even know what the total on that is going to be.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
It's so worth it. I'm so excited to be here.
It's awesome. Yeah, you get to see the whole facility and how things work here.
Yes.
You get to meet Luke and Sindy.
Not yet. Not
They're
yet.
here.
I've been seed shopping.
Fair.
Sorry, Rochelle.
They're here. They're good. Yeah.
All right.
Well, it was awesome to meet you, and I hopefully will see you at Homesteaders.
Yes, I will be there. I will be
know.
there. Like I said, I've got the ticket. I've got the campsite. I'm good.
Yeah, I volunteer each year just because I like to be involved too.
Oh, nice.
And so yeah, I hope to be down there.
All right, I'm gonna. All right, so there's face painting here. Say hello, everybody.
Hi there.
So-
From Square Peg Game School right here.
Woo! So I figure if I'm gonna be at the Migardener grand opening, what else should I get face painted but a tomato? I like it. It's cute. This was only her second one ever. All right, we got the man himself, Luke, the Migardener.
It took long enough. I was doing the meet and greeting, and I was doing a lot of meeting and a lot of greeting, but I finally got here. Finally wanted to do a video. I said, okay, you came all the way from Boston, which is insane, and you gotta give the commitment at least one green thumbs up. So if you guys haven't liked the video, make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to go check out, you're on Instagram and you're...
Yep, I'm on Instagram. I have a Facebook group, Wicked Awesome Gardening Facebook page. I got the things.
And part of what we do at the Migardener channel is encourage community. And I'm going to be telling, if you guys are coming over from our channel, make sure you tell Wicked Awesome Gardening that we sent you, and share the love, spread the love like seeds, and help the gardening community grow, because that's what we're all about. And I just thank you so much for coming out, because it's such a blessing to see so many amazing people come support gardening. And you actually said something before you turn the camera on.
Oh?
That's going to be on our wall somewhere. Somewhere it's going to be on the wall. Maybe even be on like a little welcome to Migardener. You called it the
Seed Capital of Michigan.
I love that. I love it. The Seed Capital of Michigan. You can't really say it any other way. And I'm humbled that you came all this way. I'm also honored, and it means so much to be a part of your community and make
I wanted to come out here at some point, and I figured what better time to be here, really.
Yeah, well, better time, and also you picked great weather to escape the 100 degrees, came to like 85.
85,
so.
Yay!
So, yeah, but we're so happy you came out. We love you so much.
It really was, like you said, it's just the casual gathering of a lot of really like-minded people, and it's been a lot of fun. And just really excited to be here and be a part of it for the day.
And that's the thing, is when you meet like-minded people, you realize you're not as crazy as you might think in your head or other people tell you. And it's the people that tell you you're crazy that in 2 years they're coming to you asking you how to grow food, because it's so important.
And that's happened.
It is so important that we embrace each other, embrace this community, and keep it growing, because it's such an important part to not only food security but also community. Because you might grow eggs and I don't grow eggs, but I can trade you a tomato for those eggs.
Yep.
And having that infrastructure in place is, I think, super important for community. So thank you for being a part of the bigger community.
Thank you for being on my channel for a minute. Oh my God.
I love it. Migardener takes over Wicked Awesome Gardening. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for...
Did you notice? Because if I'm going to get face painted anything here, it's got to be...
I love it. I love it. I haven't got my face paint on, but maybe I will. So it was a pleasure.
Right.
So glad you came out, and so glad you got stocked up. And
Yes.
We'll keep following the progress of the garden. Hopefully hopefully the fall garden's going to do well.
I think so. I think it will. I think it's going to be awesome. So
It's going to be better. It's going to be better than summer, that's for sure. Because summer has struggled a little bit.
as long as we get some rain. But yeah. All right.
Yeah,
well,
rain.
Fabulous.
All right, hit that like button for rain as well. All right,
too.
take care, guys.
Wasn't that awesome? So I'm just so excited that I got a chance to go out there. It turns out that a lot of the larger channels that had planned to be there with the massive heat waves, a lot of them felt that they needed to stay home to help take care of their animals and things like that in this insane oppressive heat wave. Like, I'm sitting out here right now and it is 97 degrees. Ugh. I did briefly in line bump into Todd from That 1870s Homestead, but they had left before I got a chance to like get out there and say hi to them. So hi guys. I also did meet two really fun people, Rachel and Lori from Providence Acres, and I'm gonna do a little video in a couple of days introducing you to the two of them. Definitely go check out their channel. They were really nice to talk to, very fun people. So I hope that you do go and check them out. So all in all, it was a very busy weekend for me. It was a whole lot of fun. And I gotta tell you that Luke and Cindy are exactly the same people in person that they appear to be on camera. Luke is just a excitable, garden-loving, just general nice guy. Cindy was super sweet, very funny. I'm just really excited to have met them, and I feel very privileged to have been able to go out for this event. And I guess that's about it for today. Like Luke said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down in the box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.